Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 5th Subject Mathematics.
Welcome back, students. This is our third online class for 5th standard mathematics. Let us start our chapter 2, large numbers. Large numbers. You all know about 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit numbers. Okay. Here you have 1 digit largest number 9. 1 digit smallest number 1. 2 digit larger number 99. 2 digit smallest number 10. Like this you have right or 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit largest number and smallest number. From this you learn when you add 1 to this largest 1 digit largest number, you get the 2 digit smallest number. Here look at this, 1 digit largest number is 9. When you add 1 to this 9, you get 10. What is 10? 10 is the 2 digit smallest number. Okay, like this. For example, when you take 5 digit largest number, when add 1 to this 5 digit largest number, you get the 6 digit smallest number. Okay, like this it will be going on. In this chapter we have to learn about 7 digit, 8 digit, 9 digit largest number. When you add 1 to the 7 digit largest number, you will get the 8 digit smallest number. Okay, like this it will be learned. This is largest number, this is smallest number. Then how to read a large number? If you want to read the large number, first of all you want to know about Indian place value chart. We already learned what is Indian place value chart and how we want to read. This is the Indian place value chart. You already know about this. You want to look at this. Clear? Here ones, thousands, lakhs, crore. These are said to be period. Okay, these are the period. In ones period we have three places. What are they? Ones, tens, hundred. So these are the places. These all are places and these are the periods. Here you have how many periods? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in Indian place value chart you have 4 periods. What are they? Ones, thousands, lakhs, crore. How many places you have there? Look at this. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones period contain 3 places. In thousands period you have 2 places. What are they? 1000, 10,000. In lakhs you have 2 places. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. In crore you have 2 places. Crores, 10 crores. Okay, you will be clear in this Indian place value chart. Then only you can read or write the largest number. For example, we have number as 75, 80, 72, 608. Okay, like this you having some numbers. We want to read this number. So first step, divide the number into periods starting from the right by using Indian place value chart. You will know in Indian place value chart you have 4 periods. Okay, first of all you write the number, then divide the number by using commas or by leaving space according to the periods in Indian place value chart. You have 4 periods: ones, thousands, lakhs, crore. Ones place have 3 places. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then you put comma here. Then thousand place contain 2 places: 1000, 10,000. So you put comma. Next lakhs. In lakhs you also you have 2 places: lakhs, 10 lakhs. So you put comma. Crore, 10 crore. Is it clear for you? You can divide the number according to the periods of the Indian place value chart by putting commas or by leaving space. You just leave some one digit place between the periods of the given number. Second step, While reading a numeral, all the digits in the same period are read together except the ones. Okay, here you have 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit. So these 2 digit be combined and read as crore. These 2 digit combine and read as lakh. Let us read. Yeah. 75 crore, 80 lakhs, 72,608. Okay. 75 crore, 80 lakhs, 72,608. In this way, you have to read the larger number, any digits of larger number. Here you have 9 digits. You may read or 8 or 7 or some any digit of number you can read like this way. Then how to write a large number? By using the above method, we can easily write the large number in different ways. We are now well know how to read the larger number. Yeah. Then we have to write. We can write a large number in 3 forms. First one, standard form. Standard form is nothing but you just put the commas according to the period of the Indian place value chart or by leaving the space. You are well, I think you well known in this topic. Next, expanded form. You want to expand the given number in this way. First one, period. Ones, thousands, lakhs, crore. Next, places. Places, what are the places? Ones, tens, 100 in ones place. 1,000, 10,000 in thousand place. Lakh, 10 lakh in lakhs place. Crore, 10 crore in crores place. Now you fill the number. From right side you want to fill that. Okay. Any number, first you start from right side. Don't start from left side. It will make mistake. So always you can write the number from right side, that is from ones place. 806270857. Now 7 in 10 crore place. Okay, so 7 into 10 crore plus 5 in crore place. So 5 into crore plus 8 into 10 lakh plus 0 into lakh plus 7 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1,000 plus 6 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 8 into 1. In this way, we can represent the given number in expanded form. Next, word form. You want to write as it is per the in 7 into 10 crore plus 5 into crore. Look at this, these two are in crore places. Then how can you read 75 crore? Okay. Like this, you have to write the given number. 75 crore, 80 lakh, 72,608. Let us see the example 1. Write the numeral for the following by separating the periods. Here you have given with periods, okay. A you contain some numeral, B some contain some numerals. First, solution. Number by putting commas, by leaving spaces. We well know about how can you put commas between the number according to the period and leaving spaces according to the period. First, write the given number, then you write the number and you have to put the commas from right side. 3 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit and 2 digit, remaining digit. Here you have 3 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit and the remaining digit. Remaining digit is 1 digit. Here you have 2 digit. Here you have 1 digit. So in this way you have leave the spaces between the periods of the given number. Example 2. Write the number names for each of the following numeral. Here given with some numeral, they already give the space between the numerals. You identify the period of the given numerals. Here you have 3 digit. In which period you have 3 places? Ones. In next 1,000, next lakhs, next crore. So you write like this, 5 crore. Here 5 crore. Next 78 lakhs. 78 lakh. 506. Like this you have to write. Next sum, look at this. They are splitted by the commas. So the periods of Indian place value chart. Last one, once, thousand, lakh, crore. So 60 in crore. So 60 crore. Here you find the lakh and 1000 place be 0. So you leave these two places and move on to the next place. What are they? 66. So 60 crore, 66. Right? 45 crore, 76 lakh, 90,213 in expanded form. You will know about how to write the expanded form. Here you have a 9-digit number. You have to write it in expanded form. First of all, you write the places of the number. These are the places. These are not the period. These are the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores. Okay, you have to fill the number from right side up. Okay, not from the left side. You only write the number from right side. 3, 1, 2, 0, 9, 6, 7, 5, 4. Next, write the number. Find 4 in 10 crores. Okay, then you write 4 10 crores plus 5 in crores. Then you write 5 crores. Then 7 in 10 lakhs. So plus 7 10 lakhs. Then 6 in lakhs. Then plus 6 lakhs. 9 in 10,000. So 9 10,000 plus 0,000. So 0,000 plus 200 plus 200 plus 110 plus 110 plus 3 ones plus 3 ones. Okay, is it clear? Next, you write, these are the words of the number. Okay, you have to write is a number. 4 into 10 crore. 4 10 crores. 4 into 10 crore. Plus 5 into crore. 5 into crore. Plus 7 into 10 lakhs. Plus 6 into lakhs. Plus 9 into 10,000. Plus 0 into 1,000. Plus 2 into 100. Plus 1 into 10. Plus 3 into 1. Next one. 3 lakhs. 40 crore plus 5 crore plus 70 lakhs plus 6 lakh. 6 into lakh. 6 lakh plus 9 into 1,000. 90,000 plus 0 into 1,000. You multiply 0 to any number, it will become 0. Okay, plus 0 plus 2 into 100, 200 plus 1 into 10, 10 plus 3 into 1, 3. So this is the expanded form of the given number. Students, this is homework for you. Quick assessment in page number 15. Do it in your book. If you're not having a book, you write in your note. Our class is over now. We meet in our next class. Thank you, students.